Let's see how much water's coming out now. That's not very much water, but it's enough. That's a little plant,
enough, yeah.
And you're going right to the root system.
Got a little Douglas fir, and all he needs is just a little bit of water, no matter how small or how big they are, to make it through the dry season with very, very little effort from me. We got new growth. What I'm going to use this for is to fertilize my garden. All I need to use is 4 tablespoons in one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. The only thing that's being fertilized right now are my vegetables. A little fertilizer goes a long way. When I start feeling a little bit less pressure, I give it a few pumps. So I've just fertilized 2 beds, wasted not a drop of fertilizer. I can come over to my peas, and again, just kind of go down the line. One, I have complete control over the amount of water. So I know exactly 4 gallons and exactly 4 tablespoons. So I've got my fertilizer mix exactly right. I'm not attached to any hose. If